If a fire broke out or a gas leak started right now, would your family know what to do? Most homes aren't ready, but a few simple changes can protect the people you love most. In this video we will talk about home safety systems. Number 1. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Every floor of your home should have smoke detectors, especially near bedrooms and kitchens, and carbon monoxide detectors near fuel-burning appliances. Test them monthly, and replace batteries twice a year to ensure they'll work when it matters most. Number 2. Fire escape ladders, for upper floors. In a 2-story home, keep collapsible fire escape ladders in each upstairs bedroom where people sleep. Practice using them with older children so they can exit safely if hallways are blocked by smoke or flames. Number 3. Water and gas shutoff valves. Learn the location of your main water and gas shutoff valves, typically near your foundation wall or street access point. Label them clearly and keep a dedicated wrench or shutoff tool nearby in case of a leak, earthquake, or other sudden emergency. Number 4. Secure heavy furniture and appliances. Unsecured bookshelves, dressers, and large TVs can tip over and injure children or block escape routes during an emergency. Anchor them to the wall using inexpensive anti-tip kits, which take only minutes to install but prevent major accidents. Number 5. Fire extinguishers. Every home should have at least one multi-purpose ABC fire extinguisher on each level, especially in high-risk areas like the kitchen, garage, and near utility rooms. Learn the pass technique. Pull the pin, aim at the base, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side. You don't have to fix everything in one day, but start somewhere. These 5 safety upgrades could make all the difference in a real emergency. This content is for general information purposes only and is not a substitute for licensed inspections, emergency services, or professional safety advice. Always follow local codes and consult qualified professionals when needed.